Hebrews chapter 10 says, "Do not forsake the assembling of ourselves together, as some do, but exhorting one another as much more as you see the day approaching." When you hear the word assemble, it's not exactly what you think. You ever been to Walmart and say you bought a bike? And on that box it says, "Some assembly may be required." Now, it's no doubt that it is a bike with inside that box, but the bike is not put together, so some assembly may be required to make it a full functioning bike. The assembling of ourselves together with other believers, it will exhort, equip, strengthen, and correct us. We have to remember that we are the body of Christ. Let me ask you something. What am I supposed to do when only my arm shows up? My arms are not equipped to do the job of my legs or any other part of the body. This is why we cannot forsake the assembling of ourselves together. It cripples us when we don't show up. God bless you. Have a great day.